Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This particular video is regarding 4 exciting stocks. The first one is XELA, XELA. The next one is SNDL, which is Sundial. The third one is NEGG. And the fourth one is MRIN. And for this stock, I think they are moving nicely and very excited for this coming week. So stay till the very end. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, you can always join my channel. You can always join my community. You pay only $3 per month and you will get member specific things. You see, I post a lot of things only for the members, some chart ideas, trade ideas, support, resistance, when to buy, sell, everything. Give a try. If you like, that's good. If you don't like, you can always cancel the membership, but you can give a try anyway. So it was not a good day for most of the growth stock today. You can see that most of the big techs, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, so they were green today. But again, there were some other stocks which were red, and most of the growth stocks and speculative stock, they were red today. So we know what happened, and sometimes red days are very good for deep buying, right? So anyway, let's start now. So the first one is XELA. Very excited about this one, because this is the one we have been loving. So in this particular channel, we are talking about XELA almost every time. Last time it went to 3.1, we made money, it came down, and again we have been calling and calling. You can see that I have been posting about XELA like 2 hours ago. It's moving, what's the support, resistance, everything. If you scroll through my community, you will see lots of XELA about the support, resistance. The last time I called out around 2.8, it went almost to 3.3, even like I called out before. So anyway, see XELA around 2.77. So we love XELA, and why not? You can see the chart. Look at the volume here, the yellow bars. So more and more volumes are coming, and just because of the more volume coming, the price is going higher and higher. Even though it was red in most of the stock, but XELA was the one which was up by 8.6%. Why is showing 8.6? I don't know here, but it was really up today, and it was just making everything green. So anyway, we know it has a very high short interest, lots of volumes are coming, so why not? Now let's look at the chart. First of all, you can see it was here, it went all the way to 3.1, came down, moved sideways, then again going up. But the good thing is it found a floor around 1.88. then after 1.8, now it is almost double. And even though it ended somewhere here, it is showing me that even at the after hour we are up over $3. So let's turn on the support, resistance, and you can see many lines here. So I will get rid of the lines here, because I think XELA has been doing really good and I do not need so many lines. So first of all, you can see that we had a resistance around 3.1 here. So we broke the resistance, 3.1, went up, then we touched 3.3, again came down, but we stayed over 3.1, which is really good. And why 3.3 is important, let me show you something. So I turned on the pre-market and after hour, and you can see that just on 30th of June, you can see that it was around 3.6. It was around 3.6 pre-market. At the same time, it had a resistance of 3.3 just the night before. So these resistance are coming from there, 3.3 and 3.6. Or if you want, I can go back, way back. Let's have a look. So I'm just zooming out. You can see that why these things are important. So 3.3, this is the line. It was a resistance sometime in January 2021. You can see 3.6, it was sometime from March. So 3.6, 3.3 are coming from there, and it was also tested pre-market and also after hours. So these are important resistance, but once 3.3 and 3.6 is broken, then I think it will head towards 3.9, 4 and more. So you see at one point it went all the way to 7.8. I'm very excited for XELA. Nice move, went up, came down, but again a very strong move. Look at the volume here. So the volume here is saying everything. More and more volumes are coming, and the price is going up and up. On an hourly candle, you can see last 3 hours it was green, and currently we are above 3.3. as long as 3.3 is intact, or let's say as long as 3.1 is intact, this thing can go along. And I talked about XELA yesterday when it was around, I think it was around this area, and I made the video about XELA, and I'm so happy that it went up. So anyway, The next one is SNDL. So again, I'm showing you a daily chart here. Looking at a daily chart, you can see it was coming down, 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 then it found a support, and today it was up, and the way it is up, looking very bullish, because you see there is almost no top wick. Entire body is at the top, and this is very bullish. And why it is very bullish, I will go there, but look at the daily RSI, only at 49. There is plenty of room to go up. Now from a daily, I'm moving to an hourly chart here, because I want to show you something. You see the first 1 hour it came down, and after that back to back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see 6 candles here, right? So all of them are green. Back to back, many candles are green. You see the nice volume. So looking very nice, looking very nice. And I'm looking at an hourly candle. Now let's turn on the support and resistance. So why it is important? Because 0.82 is the support. You can see it was a support previously. It was a support here. So again today it came to 0.82 and bounced off from there here, and now it is going to test the resistance around 0.96 area. If 0.96 this resistance is broken, I think this will go towards $1.1, and if somehow it can break 1.1, this thing can fly. Look here, the last time it broke 1.1415, and next morning it went all the way to 1.5, and I think in pre-market it was at 1.6. So again this thing can move really fast, and again if there is any support from the Reddit, this thing can move really fast. Look at some articles here. So this is from the monthly fool, the 3 reasons SNDL growers could be a bigger winner than AMC over the next 5 years. I do not want to agree or disagree, I just want to show you the article. It talks about some bullish thing about this particular stock, but I'm not going to agree or disagree. I'm not going to compare with AMC, just sharing it. Anyway, it also has something that considers SNDL stock a buy as the latest Reddit wave disappears. It was also 5 hours ago. Anyway, I'm not going there, but the only thing I want to show here that for the July 16 call option, look at the open interest. So 174,000 call options are predicting it will go to $1. 125,000 call options are predicting it will go to 1.5, and if you see there are more call options waiting, but they are way out of the money. Okay, let's look at NEGG and look at the daily candle. Big candle, big candle. Today it moved from $27 all the way to $77. Wow, such a monster move. And look at the daily RSI, it is at 92.97, very overstretched. It needs to come down, it needs to come down. If you are in, please lock your profit or set a trailing stop loss, because this thing needs a pullback. It has been moving a lot. You see for back to back few days it moved from $10 all the way to 80. Now it came back to 60, 70 area, but again a very big move. So let's move to a 15-minute chart now. And what we can see here, what we can see on a 15-minute chart, you see some kind of pullback, because it makes sense. The RSI was way too high. It makes sense to come down, but the thing is how far it can come down, or will it go even higher? And look at the MACD here. Couple of things I want to point out here, that whenever there is a upward movement, it moves sideways, then come downward, then again some kind of consolidation, again a big move, it comes down, some kind of consolidation, again a big move, some kind of consolidation, while coming little down, then again a big move. So things can happen same way. A big move, then it can come down and consolidate sideways, then it can push again. In that case the RSI will come down, everything will cool off, but for now this is looking really strong. So just looking at a 15-minute candle, what do you think? What are the support, what are the resistance here? So it is really hard to draw a line, because this thing was a monster today. So this is the uptrend. So first of all, as long the uptrend is continuing, that is good, that this thing is going higher and higher. But what are the support and what are the resistance? I think I see a one line here around 67, 68 area. It was acting like a resistance, then it became a support, and another area I would say around 80, 70, yeah, 70, and there is the top. It tried to break the top of 80, 78 couple of times, it could not. So the big thing would be, can it break the 80 resistance? If 80 is broken, this thing can run a lot. Otherwise, maybe I will just draw a few more support area. This is so hard because this is only a 15-minute candle. So I think these are the areas ranging a lot. So in terms of the bottom support, we have 54 here and 48 here. At the same time, we have some support around 67.7, 70 and 78. But this is very volatile. Again, it can come down and retest 54 or 48 area, then it can bounce back again. If you're in, lock your profit. If you want to get in, wait for a pullback, then get in again. But again, this thing is explosive. This thing is going really crazy. And again, that could be another AMC or GME, who knows. Okay, the last one is MRIN. And again, you know, this thing has been moving a lot from 1.6 from 23rd of June. It went all the way to 27. Every day it was going up, very volatile, going up, but today it came down. But the good thing is it came down and it is moving sideways, even though you can see a large move from $21 to 17. But again, we need to see how things will happen or flow tomorrow, because this thing can come down even more. But otherwise, look at the chart here. Again, so many support, so many resistance, because I have been playing this and this is a very good swing trade for me. So first of all, currently we are here. If we can break this area of 20, then we can run towards 22 again. But if it comes down, I think it will retest the support again around 17.4. If 17.4 is broken, this thing can come all the way to 14. But hopefully the support will be intact and it will move higher, and again it will retest 22, 24, 25. I'm not going to talk about the support resistance. In my previous video I talked about MRIN, but one thing I want to share that today I found from Reddit, not sure is it correct or not, but the thing I found that from Ortex data, they're saying that it has a short interest of 167%. This is really high. I do not know, but I found it, and I found it very interesting, because 167%, more than 100, right? So this is really interesting. At the same time, in some forum, I found that MRIN now have option, so people can buy out of the money option. They can go for a gamma squeeze. So I do not know, but I just want to share. I was looking for MRIN shares and I went to Nasdaq and I found they have an option chain like July 16 expiry date. You see they have a strike, and also there are lots of options here. So again, if people start buying the out of the money call option, then again things can move. Very exciting. It has moved a lot from $1 to $28. Back to back many days. It has solid green days. Let me show you a daily chart here. You can see here like back to back, so many green days. So it makes sense. If it comes down, it makes sense. Last time you see here, it had a huge candle, then a red candle, then followed by a green candle. So same thing can happen. I do not know, but I'm just showing you how it has been moving. On a weekly basis, you see 1, 2, and this is the third week. So anyway, we will see how things will play out, but I just wanted to show you this particular one because this thing can explode or it can come down. Very volatile, but again a very good one for a swing trade. So anyway, in this particular video I talked about 4 stock. Let me know which one you are playing, which one you like, and if you agree or disagree, please write in the comment section. And also, if you find the video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you for watching this particular video. Take care. It's a 14-minute long video, so tiring. Take care. Bye bye.